This video is gonna be a mess because I'm a mess. And I look in the mirror, I'm like, oh, you know what, like, I look decent, like, I don't look that bad. And then I'm looking over here and it's like, ooh, girl, what did you do? This is what the lawn, this is what the lawn looks like. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. What's new? What's poppin'? What's poppin'? Who even says that? So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get my flawless looking skin, even though it's not flawless whatsoever. I have received so many compliments on the way that my skin has been looking lately. Not just like my skin, but the way my skin looks with my makeup on and everything. So many people have been giving me compliments on it, and a few people actually did ask me to do a makeup tutorial on it and like explain what I use and how I do it or whatever. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I know I don't like do makeup videos, like that's not what my channel is about, but I'm still doing it because it's something that I want to do. So yeah, let's just get into it. So the first thing I do is I fill in my pores, and I just use the NYX pore filler. So I just use this to fill in the pores in my nose area. So after I have filled my pores or whatever, I'm going to go ahead and prime my face, and I use this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I really like this primer. It's mattifying, but it doesn't dry out my face, if that makes sense. Like after I put this on, I feel mattified, but my skin doesn't feel like it's been dried out, if that makes any sense at all. So next I'm going to be doing foundation. For foundation, I actually mix two different foundations. They're both for drugstore. They're both really inexpensive. The first one I use is the CoverGirl Outlast 3-in-1 foundation, and then I use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte foundation. There's really no rhyme or rhythm to what I do. I just kind of wing it, so my skin's basically a different color every day. Mixed half of the CoverGirl and half of the L'Oreal foundation, and I'm just mixing it on the back of my hand. Can you see what I'm doing? Oh my gosh, if you can't see what I'm doing, I'm gonna be so mad. So I'm pretty much just gonna start blending this into my skin. I'm just using a Real Techniques, I think that's what it is. It's the orange sponge that you can find at like Target or literally anywhere. I mean, I just can't commit to spending $20 on a sponge. Like that's $20 that I could put in my gas tank, so why would I buy anything else if I have something that works? Anyway, so while I'm blending this into my face, I wanted to share with you guys, I walked in like a runway show, like in a fashion show, and I was going to vlog it. I'll insert what I got here real quick. I didn't want to walk around with this huge camera filming myself before this fashion show. I did not. I felt so strange. So I actually ended up not getting any footage. So after I have finished blending my foundation, I'm going to go in with concealer. I crease a lot in my under eyes, and this concealer is the only concealer that I have that will not like crack underneath my eyes from laughing and stuff. And I'm taking this in the shade Light Medium Honey. And for the same beauty sponge, I'm just going to blend my concealer in to my face. I hope this doesn't look awful. I'm looking over here because I have a mirror, so you can actually see what I'm doing, in case you didn't infer that already. So after I have that done, I'm going to go ahead and set my whole face using my Makeup Forever Duo Matte Pressed Powder. So I'm just taking a big flat top brush and I'm just going to dab it in there. Oh, this is in the shade, shoot, what shade is this? Because I've had this powder for, let's see, 5 years. I'm so serious. I bought this in 8th grade with my friend because we were at Sephora, and I was like, ooh, high-end makeup. Like, all of my friends have high-end makeup and I don't, because my mom doesn't spend that kind of money on me. I'm gonna get something, and I spent like $34 on this, and now I just need to get rid of it because I don't use it. Does this stuff expire? I don't even know. Okay, so next I'm gonna bronze. I'm gonna go in with my Hoola bronzer by Benefit. If you don't have this bronzer, get this bronzer. Oh my gosh. So I do this to give my face some color and some dimension, but I really like just bronzing my forehead because it makes me feel like I'm not so white. But I'm gonna take this, and I'm just gonna take like a little bit, and I'm gonna go down the sides of my nose. I hate contouring my nose. One, because I'm bad at it, and two, it takes too much time. So the next thing I do is blush. I use this blush by Too Faced. It's the Love Flush blush in the color Justify My Love. I'm so surprised that I said that without messing it up. And I'm just going to put this on the tops of my cheeks. I don't really bring it inward that much. So after blush comes highlighter. Someone in one of my videos did ask me what highlighter I was wearing. So I'm going to take the color Moonstone out of the Anastasia Sun Dip Glow Kit, which is right here, on a fan brush, and I am just going to put that on the tops of my cheekbones. I also put it down the bridge of my nose, and then I will lightly bring it up over the tops of the arch of my eyebrows. So after highlighter, I move on to my eyes, and I literally don't do anything for eyeshadow. Anyways, so I take the color Nougat. I can't even hold this palette. I can't bend it back. It's my favorite color out of the palette, if you could not tell. It's the only color that I've hit pan on. Color. My camera's about to... Literally, as I said, my camera is running out of memory. It, like, stopped recording. So, anyways, I was doing my eyeshadow. So, like I said, Nougat, Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar palette. I literally just buff this into my crease. Shout out to the beauty gurus that can, like, sit down and film videos without their lighting getting all messed up, because that's what's happening to me right now. So after eyeshadow, I do my eyebrows. I already have what I think is a pretty nice brow shape, so I don't really have to draw my brows. Like, I don't have to really shape them. I just have to fill in the gaps. Take the pencil and I just start filling in the gaps, or where I think it needs to be filled in, which the top always needs to be filled in. Always. And I just comb them back over again. So after I have my eyebrows done, I'm going to do my eyelashes. I'm just going to curl them. I literally don't even do this every day, but for the sake of the video, I will. I use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I absolutely love this mascara. We are not looking horrible, so that's good. If I decide to put anything on my lips, it's gonna be super natural. I don't really wear lipstick, but do I recommend these? No, but I bought it and I used it, and like I used it. I didn't want to return it after I had already used it, so I'm just going to set my face, and I use the NYX Dewy Finish setting spray because I have a lot of mattifying stuff on my face. So I'm just going to... If you want to see more videos like this, let me know. I'll definitely do more makeup videos. If not, let me know what you do want to see, because I know some people were like, no, I'm not going to watch your makeup video. But I'm still going to upload it because, hey, it's my channel and I'm gonna do what I want. Thank you for 3,000 followers, or subscribers, same thing. Y'all are actually super awesome. And like, I'm trying to be so sincere. I am being sincere, but that is actually so cool. Here's a close-up of what the foundation looks like on my skin. So yeah, once again, thanks for watching my video. I appreciate you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one.